Yeah, hi dosto. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to explain you that why I started to make videos in YouTube or how did it started. So story goes to a long time back when it was 2016 when I was in one of a very small company. That company name was No Bond. It was a startup in Kolkata. So there was one fine lady who was around 55 years age, and I would like to hats off to her that okay, in that age also she used to do coding. Okay, so when I got an offer from IBM, she said one thing that hey Firdaus, you are not getting an offer which you deserve. Okay, go for the counter offer, and 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 believe me, you will get a better salary than this. But at that time, due to my lack of knowledge, okay, I did not took a risk. Okay, actually, there is one famous quote of Vivekanand that take risks in your life. If you win, you can lead. If you lose, you can guide. So before that, I took a risk that I change to company frequently. So therefore, I know the effect and side effect of changing company frequently. And secondly, now I also took the risks of holding a multiple offers, so I can guide you. So this code suit best to me. I mean, I have lose sometime also. Like in IBM, I lose. Therefore, I can guide you also that okay, don't do this thing. And since in some case I win, so I can guide you. Okay, do this thing. So in order to bring those things from my mouth, or in order to help you out, so that you could get a better job, I started this video. So second question is, how did it started? See, in my college time or till now, my English is not that all good. I mean, it's good, but it's not an excellent English, and I don't feel that I need a very excellent English, because my main mouth is my finger, right? I could do wonder from this, so I am happy with it. But I always think to improve myself. So this was the reason why I start to record the thing. I mean, before going to the interview, whenever I used to answer anything, I mean, I try to do a mock interview by myself. Like I would request the same to the other person also who are a shy kind of nature. That okay, open your mobile phone and start the recording, and then try to sit before the laptop, read the question, and try to answer that, or note few question and try to answer that without looking into the answer, and then record everything. And after that, heard that thing when I used to do that thing. So in this way, my English got improved. Actually, in earlier time, it was not like this. I used to fumble a lot. Until now, my English is not that great. But I said that I have 10 fingers, so I I used to do everything from this, and I'm happy with it. But still, improvement. I mean, we should always go for the improvement. So when I set for interview for the first two company, what I did, I opened the camera. I mean, and recorded. Okay, and then after recording, just for fun, I uploaded in YouTube, and it was around April time. 8 months back, I uploaded those two videos, and after uploading, I got lots of comment. I mean, y- people used to ask the different thing that okay, and then I realized that why not share my experience with all of you, right? Whatever happened to me, why not share it? Because I have seen ups and down. I had been a loser, and I have been a winner also. So and secondly, I have changed the company frequently also. So the question which was popping up, and I felt that okay, this thing happened to me also. So why not make a channel and share it to you all, right? It may help you, because I always think that if even I help a single guy, I would say I have achieved. that thing. So in this way, whatever thing happened to me, like how company give offer, what are the problem I faced, okay, how my HR on happened in TCS, in HR, in Infosys, or any companies where I failed, okay, and any event happened to it, like how my final and full and final settlement happened to the uh, IBM, how were their offer letters, or how were their salary statement, all those things. So I started to share those things in YouTube. Okay, and side by side, means since once Anuradha ji has guided me, but I did not took his her guidance. But still, in second time when I gave interview last year, I took all the thing. I took note of all the thing what she said, and finally I landed to. I would say not my dream company, but a company where I'm getting a respectful position, where I'm getting a respectful salary, and in my hometown. So I achieved everything which I wanted to achieve, and so in this way my YouTube channel comes up, and I always try to help others so that they also achieve everything which they want to achieve. That's why uh, in this year when I got an analytic report from the YouTube, I mean more than 5 or 6,000 comment. My channel is a very small one, but more than 5 or 6,000 comments was given by a different people, right? A different comment, I would say unique comment. And in few comment chain you will see that hundreds of comments are there, 50 comment, 10 comments are there. So a good number of comments were commented by you in my channel, and I tried to reply each and every comment. And in that way I find that okay, your all of your problem is similar to my problem. I mean, either I have faced that thing, either I have failed there, or I have succeeded there. So that's why I try to bring out my experience and started to create a video so that it could help all of you. So these were my reasons why I created a video, and you have made it successful. I mean, till now I was just thinking that okay, it will be just a interview kind of video where I will create the video regarding the interviews and all those things. But now I mean, with the love you are giving me, I mean the motivation which you are giving me, okay, I mean it's motivate me to provide the different informations, divide, to bring out the different news to you also. And in this way I make a I uh, I promise myself, or I challenge myself to be in a benchmark of 20K within 2022 November. So I will try to bring out best from me, and I would request you all also to please subscribe my channel also, because what I have seen that more than less than 5%, 6% of you who watch my videos, I mean my channel get a good number of views, more than 3,000 people daily watch my videos, but out of those 3,000 only 5% of you subscribe my channel. So I would request to please subscribe it also if you like my video. And please share your love as you are sharing till now, and please help me to complete my challenge of achieving 20K within November to October 2022. So that's it. This was a video. I hope you have liked it. So if you like, press the like button, share it among your friends. So thank you and bye bye.